Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to customize your lock screen clock design on One UI 8. It's really simple, and the result looks great once you finish. Let's get started. First, long press on your home screen and go to Wallpaper and Style. Then, tap on your current lock screen wallpaper and click on Clock. Now you can start designing your clock. Begin by selecting a font you like. There are plenty of interesting ones to choose from. Below the fonts, you can adjust the thickness of the numbers by sliding left or right. Next, pick the color for your clock. If you want a color that's not in the default options, tap the last color circle and choose any shade you prefer. When you're done, just tap Done. After that, open the Style section and select the clock layout you want. Here comes the most fun part. You can move and position your clock anywhere on the lock screen, exactly how you like it. If you prefer the date to appear below the clock, uncheck the option Show Date Above Clock. When everything looks perfect, tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it! On the left side, you can now see how my lock screen looks with the new clock design. Pretty cool, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more tips and tricks tutorials. See you in the next one!